store.
Hollywok, may I help you?
Yeah, is this Hollywok? Yeah, my name is Samuel Adams, and I was wondering if you had received our invoice.
Hold on, yeah.
Thanks. They can keep me tight of
Can you, pick up the food already, yeah?
I ordered a large dong, okay, and I haven't received it yet. It's the throbbing one, the number 3. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me? I ordered a big throbbing dong.
You did?
Yes.
I don't know because I didn't take your order, you know.
Is there a big black throbbing dong ready for me to pick up?
Hold on, please. I believe
All right. That's fine.
What's going on in there? Oh. Yeah, me too. Exactly.
My name is Ryan.
Yeah?
My name is Ryan Rutledge. I'm the magic chef. Do you know me? Hello?
What do you want?
I wanted the big black dong.
Huh?
I wanted the big black dong and I ordered it a while ago. I'm not going to eat it. It's for my wife. I'm not into big black dong. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Hold on.
Oh, Christ. Hello? You know, I'm getting a sneaking suspicion that you're giving me the runaround.
No, because we don't understand what you're talking about. You order something to go, right?
Yeah.
And then what you want to do now?
Well, I kind of wanted you. I think that you kind of dropped the ball a little bit on that order.
You mean you want a discount?
Well, no, I don't want a discount. I don't want to take your money. I just want my food.
Yeah, the food is almost ready.
It's almost ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm going to pick it up in 5 minutes.
Okay, yeah.
Now, it's the big black dong
Yeah,
with 2 balls on either side.
What did you order?
Okay, the big black dong with 2 hairy balls on either side.
We don't understand you.
You called, alright. Okay, let me put it like this. Do you understand that?
Oh.
Hello? That song, Money, 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 Money? Alright? So you're gonna have that ready, right?
You order?
Yes, I did.
You order already?
I ordered the dirty plate.
What can I order you?
I wanted some steamed rice with the big black dong.
We don't have big black dong.
Do you have little yellow ones?
No more.
You don't have little yellow dongs?
No more.
Little tiny yellow Peters?
No more.
You know what? I'm gonna put you over to my wife. Hold on. She's really mad that she can't have your little yellow dong. Hold on.
Get that dog out of here!
You know what? Hold on 1 second, okay?
Okay, 1 second.
Can you hold on? Yeah, can you hold on a second?
Get your order.
I'm gonna get my wife on the phone. Hold on. I'm the customer. Hold on.
You customer, you want what kind of order you like?
I know. First you say you don't have the big black dong, and then my wife wants your little yellow dong. Hold on.
What's the yellow dong, big dong?
Hello?
Uh-huh.
Hi, I'm his wife.
Huh?
Hi, I was calling about the dong.
I'm his wife.
Is this a tasty dong, or is it kind of a crooked dong? Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Can you answer me, or what's your problem?
I don't know.
It seems like there's a big problem over there.
What's the big problem?
The problem is you're not giving us our big black dong.
What's big about now?
You know,
You call where?
to get the big black dong.
Oh, what's the number?
This is the restaurant, right?
What's the restaurant?
Cool that it's semi-automatic.
Look, I was calling,
You call what's the restaurant?
and ever since I called, it's just been nothing but sorrow. Sir, you're gonna make me cry right now. You wanna make me cry?